How to set the side button to open Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and then tap on advanced features. Then at the top, tap on Bixby. Now go down, then tap on side button settings. Then tap on long press. After that, tap on Bixby. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So now if you want to open up Bixby, you can press and hold on the side button or long press on Bixby to open up Bixby. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.